Can you guess what's the one dish that can be made in 100 different ways? Sweet, savory, spicy, or even a mix of everything. It's versatile, fun, and always delicious. Yup, I'm talking about the good old sandwich. Today we're making a Japanese style strawberry sando sandwich. It's not only sweet and simple but also full of flavor.
But here's the thing about sandwiches. It's all about the layers. Soft bread, a creamy sweet filling, it's the layers that make it perfect. And surprisingly, the same logic applies to something we don't even know about, our walls. Just like a sandwich needs the perfect filling to hold everything together, your walls need their own secret ingredient, a waterproofing sandwich. It's the layer that sits between the wall and the paint, making sure that they stay protected and looking fresh. That's where Asian Paint's SmartCare Damp Sheath Interior comes in. This primer layer acts like the perfect filling. It goes between the wall and the paint, sealing out leaks and seepage while keeping everything strong and smooth. Honestly, it's as essential for your walls as the strawberry filling is for my sandwich. And then it's time to assemble our sandwich. For that, I'm going to apply a thin layer of our whipped cream over one slice of bread, and on top of that, we'll arrange the strawberries just as shown in the video, and then also add some extra strawberries on the side. And then top it off with some more whipped cream and then arrange it evenly and top it off with the second layer of our bread. And do you know why this is the best waterproofing sandwich? Because it's incredibly efficient. It increases top coat coverage by up to 15%, comes with a 3-year waterproofing warranty, and ensures that your walls stay beautiful for years. Just like the strawberry filling takes my sandwich to the next level. It's like the ultimate sandwich filling just for your home.
There you have it, a perfectly layered Japanese strawberry sando sandwich that's delicious on the plate. And thanks to Asian Paint's SmartCare Damp Sheath, you can have perfectly protective walls too. So now go ahead and try both these sandwiches, the one for your snacks and the one for your walls. Trust me, you won't regret it.